Hello lovelies, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. On this video today I want to show you how I made this delicious, succulent, juicy Chinese beef stir fry packed with strips of beef steak, veggies and saucy flavors. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching. Now the key ingredient here is beef steak. So I have my beef steak here and I'm going to slice it into strips. My meat is 2.5 kg. I'm doing batch cooking for a client who has a charmer in a house, and this is the size I'm going for. My knife is not very sharp, so it's making my work a little bit hard. Then I change the knife and here we go. If you find the strip not so easy for you, you can cut it into your desired shape, but this recipe calls for strip. This recipe is so simple and very easy to make. The most time consuming part of making this stir fry is all the chopping, slicing meat and veggies into small bite-sized pieces. Can take a little of the time and effort, but it's worth it. Guys, if you're clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, like the video, and press the notification bell for more amazing recipe. And watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Once done chopping the meat, ensure you clean it well using clean water. Once done with the cleaning, prepare your spices for marinade. I'm going to prepare some garlic. I'm crushing the garlic in the mortar and I already have grated ginger here. So I'm just going in with the garlic paste and the ginger. Both are 1 tablespoon. I'm also going to use some seasoning flavor here. I have chili flakes, cinnamon powder, garam masala, black pepper, paprika, cumin powder, and thyme and salt. So I'm just going to add this into my mixing bowl with beef strips, and then I'm going to marinate it for at least 2 hours. I'm adding some splash of dark soy sauce. This is about 3 tablespoons. All the ingredients and their exact measurements are listed in the description box. Squeezing some lemon juice. I use juice of 1 lemon. This will make our meat so sweet, savory, and tanginess, and ensure no seeds are left there. Mix your beef steak using your hand thoroughly. Ensure each and every meat has been covered with the marinade, and we'll marinate it for about 2 hours, or for a better result, marinate it overnight. I'm adding some rosemary leaves and I will take it to my fridge for at least 2 hours. As I wait for my meat to get ready and a little bit tender, I'll go ahead and prep my green ingredients. These are the veggies I'm going to use. You can cut it to your preference, but mine, since I'm doing strips, I'm going to cut them the julienne way, and you need to separate the onions. I will also use bell pepper and carrots. So I'm going to slice them into strip, not so thin, because I like my veggies to stay crunchy. If you cut them very thin, it will get soggy. Trim off the white membranes. At times it tends to be a little bit bitter. And I'm using the red, green and yellow bell peppers for more colorful dish. I just like them like that, plus the carrot. And I will slice other bell peppers off the camera. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Help me grow this channel. And for my subscribers and returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Watch the video up to the end if you want to know how to make this delicious stir fry. Don't miss each and every step. Thank you. And carrot also, I'm going to slice it in julienne so that they match my beef. And this is it. Now my veggies are ready. Look at them. They're very lovely, very colorful, and I'm just salivating even before the meat gets ready. It's over 2 hours. Let's cook our beef steak. Just add in a little oil in your wok and heat it up. Then add in your beef strips and cook it on a high medium heat. Let it sit for some 1 minute, then stir it continuously until all the water dries out. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm doing batch cooking, so all my meat cannot fit in this wok, so I'm going to make some three batches. Like now my meat is all dried. I'm going to take it out and put it aside as I cook the remaining meat. Guys, as you can see, this recipe is very simple and easy. If you want to try it, go ahead and don't forget to bring back your feedback. I will repeat the process until all the meat is well done. To have that Chinese flavor, let's make some sauce. In a bowl, I'll add some soy sauce and corn flour, 2 tablespoons, and sugar, 1 tablespoon. Then mix them and also have the stock of the marinade. I'm going to add it there. I don't want to waste those goodness. It has lots of flavors. Guys, I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Support this channel. Thank you. Now all the beef is ready, and just going to stir fry the veggies. Add in a little oil in your wok and go in with the onions, just half of it, and also the veggies, the bell peppers. And here we're also going to do 2 batches. This is the first one and the other one after this is done. So just toss the veggies. Don't let it cook all through. Just saute for just a minute and then go in with the salt, just a little salt. Remember, we marinated our meat with salt, then add in your sauce. There we go. Our stir fry is ready. Add in the fried meat and stir it. Mix it well to combine. This meat is so delicious, succulent, and very flavorful. You can see all the greens, all the veggies. Look at it, so lovely, and it smells so heavenly here. It was nice having you around. Thanks for watching the video up to this point. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.